rwa bunge batiomba sukuma rwaria rais atenyumerwo na ua ukiaguthira bubu akarika then utio kuretekia rais William Ruto kiri wathani bwawe na kuo county ne ya Meru no turi mugomone alitingweba ugima ndene ya county Meru batachoka ngwine utimbe tachikiri ma county. It's something interesting. Siasa ni kuringwa na functions imodene ya county ite kuritangwe mubango yo chief idware yo kwa launched officially kende wita na bere kuritangwe yukaritangwe ate ya na imochi county leo county Meru ite function thai ina mubango ugethe kuritangwe rugero rwa rongo ate kwa rire moyo mantu ya ndi na good friend bwana Uselio Kaimenyi ni abisande ni obisi ya senator wa county ya Meru. Kenda kumea mantu mwanya ura yugwita na mbere ndene ya county ya Meru na kinya ndene ya Muhongo yo Kenya. Karibu sana bwana Kaime.
Thank you. Ibaka sana bwana Edward. Nonto bakongwata ugeni rukirurura na arua njuki opportunity je mbere magukethia mu Meru mwire muga na kinyo ringi muga na aru intukwe kwirana na mu Meru what is really happening. Actually turigirita mantu ja maingi mono jaraja kwarua this morning kwena PG meeting era irigiri ya bunge tuteko menimbie kaumane na PG eu definitely kumane na PG eu tukwirigira kumenya kethra kauma deputy president kaga twika impeached kanali definitely no monka ithro one of the conversations kote mantu ja pena by chance no monka kwithro by default plan ya of course issues uchete na mbere again ya seriuga na aru impeachment yewe kwirigiro gwikwa mbunge so again tukwetera kuona kethra impeachment igeta mbunge or not gotuga na aru Tuesday twameta ntekwa na kutumia lito bracket Tuesday tuga we Tuesday for today so Momeru by today evening mbuga tuketha tukimenya what is really
evening afternoon
by afternoon yes. Of course now I believe we TV no ntebo to update amono you'll be up to date with as every minute comes in so muthikiria ro tutegete na ndeto akaratini nyani ngwana ndenda umajo ngakara mutegete ndiuma penji ne yenu kenda bona what is really happening so lakini buge bitikiria buge issue of impeachment well I don't know kedra this is the right time ya kuleta impeachment but at the same time ndakwire the other day ya kuthora ni guchiatiria politically deputy president Rigathi Gachagua na chiatiria that is given everyone ni nyamo Meru wengo na ije the moment mbere Gachagua na atumirwe ambuge tu na atumirwe ni president kuraga his brother Uhuru Kenyatta igitara campaign na migambo na mathithio na kinyabo kuruka deputy president the very first day ya swearing in aramwikira migambo mingi muno monka inya Kenyans bobo ngwa parambia kuigwa be irritated nonto you know no batara kumenya at what point you need to exit some conversations so kulingana uni the neji jireta Gachagua ni wewe ngo chikiritirite however much gukethwa kwena ambika nambi it's a creation of himself so kinyaka impeached to me personally ni ntuga it was by mistake buga condition ira kitu batara batu kuthatuka ira watu Gachagua ageta then it has to be that mutana wetu kindiki no gutwika deputy president niki nkuo u kitikia Gachagua kia deputy president ikije we mbere kure iringwa keki na gia preserve it for Professor Kithure Kindiki it is known everyone knows that ntatuira chia prayer kansi kenda gutwika Gachagua ra deputy president is another discussion but no ntu ikije we kia ariga Professor Kindiki ikethwa Gachagua kebera then it has to be a guaranteed minimum that Professor Kithure Kindiki agatwika deputy president
but Kaime Mukenya na wachiure that was then on kure chiaringirwe Kindiki na era ngwe yawe ya interior ya waziri na thai Kenya ina thina nyingi muno kwimpitika Gachagua nigo kugathire thina ici Kenya
from where I sit mbetikiria mbuge for free no the iniria Kenya kitethirwa ni impeachment and that is why at this point in Karingira senators in pay all senators by the way across the country conversation yeje kuma ya mberia ya impeachment or not senators have kept it off na teji yake kinyoka taka gitara ya finance act finance bill, senators ibaki pre of that discussion. Na after the finance bill walikana be bunge senators na baria na inya kauma bakiona na area ndekurete tetebo kana issues ira ti affect mwananchi. To a great extent, I think abunge barabari in the National Assembly bakeja kwithura bomba kujukia ndai well teka kugenya senators kapatheri at their waiters pamba, but at least nyombere senate ni ukaraja ina some soberness. Abunge betu pa National Assembly kethra bunge ya National Assembly yomba kuona soberness iwire senate. I think Kenya is better off. No, I can tell you for free, one thing that we can agree, na mtu on the net check, the biggest problem that we have as a country today in this regime, it is the National Assembly. It is the Assembly, National Assembly today is a little bit weak. Nikida ugo, kule na tu issues to tuingi kuma finance bill, kuma, yani tomanto, you know, finance bill never tell kudhuru I context irereterwe nyo na issues ira chekiri kundene tiare a problem kire mwananchi ketha bamijukirie na angle different bakareta gintu gite kuinyiria mwananchi seriously. I think Kenya irengo mba kwithirwa itete better than itete at this point in time. Yes.
So baba inge kana pundits ibakuthogania kwina attention Kenya bakwenda wikiro kiyo bado tukire mantu igi adan bado tukire mantu igi wite kongarama ya uturo bado tukire mantu ya chief kenda bakorogwa na impeachment ya Gachagua mantu ya ula to focus kiri Gachagua could it be a tactic ya kurita Kenya kima thina nabo bainye thai ya reo mantu ya adan na binambi kenda yakirikia na kuongena ku Gachagua ero tu kurekera
kinyani ngwa kwiro ndathugana ya no kwithirwo I scheme bangi tu ya ku divert attention ya wananchi nonto mbere issues cha impeachment chambiria kwarirwa tuinde twaragiria ya port gekwendwa tuinde twaragiria waziri Murkomen na kwenda ku privatize BN bia mibira niguo ugaga twaragiria ati sijui serious bond yangana KCC new KCC na bibi kwenda ku privatize. Those were the conversations that were moving around. But immediately after impeachment kugwetwa, conversation ya interview bikwendwa ya thira. So everyone is today discussing impeachment Rigathi Gachagua. From where I sit, at the back of my mind, ingochuria kinyani ingwa could it be agent diversionary tactic? Could it be agent tactic tu ya ku divert attention ya mwananchi? But kila kiomba gutu confirm ra kethe tactic kanari ikwetera twana na arua kethera impeachment yaka ikwa mbunge kana itikwa mbunge ikwa mbunge then twirane well no twitho tukiairana ya I tactic but actually ketwa ati tactic igwetera by afternoon tuketha tukumenya what is happening lakini ndakina ndachiuria what could be happening ni ajumbe yake kuona bakiaria nteto chia impeachment ya Gachagua ajumbe senators bobo ngwantiro na bakiaria imbi
senator Mugatana na andikite urigana
senator Mugatana lakini senator Mugatana atandikite speaker iguru ria impeachment andikite speaker akenda ku introduce motion ya ku discuss conduct ya deputy president as a person not of course kulingana na standing orders ya bunge utuyomba kwariria character mtu fulani ati kuomba kuidefend bunge utintroduce ite motion substantive motion so I introduce a motion area kenda bona room ya ku discuss character ya but I think from imbatere kura mwananchi Mugatana kali a smart politician a smart legislator so I introduce a motion kenda ona room ya kuleta issues ile na chuna deputy president kana anyone else through the floor of the house kisheria such that gote mtu bakuga wega kuonera ine one no ndo akeja through sheria lakini mbuge ndateka senators urabakiri ingokira nkona to some extent they are smart no ndo impeachment motion yarikia gwita mbunge finally baraba batere ko confirm kethiri impeachment yeu ne batere gweta through kanari i senate. So senate iga karandi guru ere betaka na gichonko isite kwa judicial ere ja court. So senators baraba ketho bakari ya judges. So kirioni ndetaka kuona maybe it is either kaba kuwa bati satisfied ko discuss this conversation go chiengenge kireo kana Pedro kaba kuigwa tutekeje kuthithira beta prejudice go batekeje ku discuss on tubukeja kiribo kairibo ja bale judges katubwebere for now. Let it take the legal processes ya kinya kiriba utwe tono koje ukoje buka dictate ora to can determine. And I think that could be smart na how I wish bunge ethra ina that kind of smartness. No tanto bange bakwalia too, you know, kwa bunge bakwalia too much. There are many. Let us not mention them.
That is why Gachagua rawa antuba kabatumi. Na okay akodira impeachment we ta through then nara confirm it is the president no mwenga.
Definitely impeachment ikeja kweta through. Who should write to you? Ikeja kudo impeachment igeta through. No monka kwethroe kwena a very big rift between number 1 na number 2. Eu burumu wananchi akachia area. Itiomba kweta through ikeja kudo number 1 ate for it through. Bururu menya to akuoti any previous issues, but truth be told, without support ya president kile the impeachment it cannot happen, it will not happen. Lakini akaja kudo determined it happen. And that is why I was saying the only thing that we can do is wekera condition yetu. If it has to happen, then itwe assured mwana wetu Professor Kithure Kindiki nuntu no preserve rito gitikiria akana inkiro kyo. Otherwise kinya twarega gwikira that guarantee minimum ekethora president and determined kumwetithia it will happen.
Ukariga na itarea kaimo ukariga na itarea Uhuru na Ruto. Ruto rift wewe na Uhuru ya iendelele for 5 good years. Nino to Uhuru na ibawate Raila hata Ruto wengwe. Has Gachagua done more than what Ruto did to Uhuru?
I don't think so. Actually you know the nerere ajuju tutekomba determine what is the actual problem nonto the Gachagua ira unipije ira unindi aware na inya Kenya wonde no to
but we corruption baka wa atekwitha kwithura siri cia thirikari baka wa na kuringa siasa cia ukabila. So those are some of the grounds ira bakwisiba kondo mwingati.
But inde theory atire siri cia thirikari ira Gachagua umaritie ira ugo nonto we mwananchi ira uni nonto we mwananchi ira bije ni reko. So eu ibaba ije ketha gwe siri jumaritwe they know. Secondary corruption tukeja kuga ikuba impeach on the basis of corruption in this government. Let us agree for free kesi ya ndani nenganie gwetithia bonde bagwatene. Let us agree issues iji twagurukira jo cia iji cia to emergency ba umira barabarene. Anga ya port anga nyurire anga ya port anga negere blackout anga sijui wote anga generator ne gurirwe yambe chingana all those issues. Ekeja kutha corruption ne gutuma impeachment yeja. Let us agree bonde otote qualified gweta kireba bara weguru bau to kwariria. Both let me not quote it, but mwananchi ra komenya atuge number 1 na kinya tu no to bathuro na kure yemwe. You cannot tell me bigo mutsoiri akiuga atiri samaki yorayu yambirite po mutwe. So kethira uma iworu bo gutuma betithwa ethiri woru bo gutuma betithwa meya ja number 1 iyo ja number 2 meya number 2 iyo ja number 1 they are jointly and severally reliable bagwate ne bo bairi na kugayeta mtoto airi bu but otherwise ya kinya gerekanywa it is true no Gachagua na rate too much issues imwe chitibatere kwa ni deputy president na that one is also a truth na tobatere kwa ngiri as Kenyans tutenda ndiguru yetu in that direction. Kila wakati it is all about you meyinya there. Well, politics is very local. At the end of the day kinya William Ruto nethara kareti antu bakwao lakini ate araye na kanywa akara kige kaiba kwawa akaretie indi ugeta behind the scenes mathithio kinya gatega antu bara kibande kithirikari na bara tuije appointments iri thithetwe There are clear indication that na karete tribe yao. Ili ate aragia, no agachagua every minute na kwaria na kinyake aria gutibe ko translate kingi round in real sense. Indi rwarero rwawe rugatuma antu betu bakagea uthu na antu bara bangi ba the other parts of this country. So conversations you chiawe, some of them ichibatere kwa attempt na chiteburi ko thwa chirio chikiumana yana especially such a topmost person number 2 in the Republic of Kenya.
Let me ask you a very pertinent question. Oscar Sudi no kumana.
Of course, kwaba president.
Gladys Sholei.
Onao.
No wakareta rwari rwambi. Utuko inkwana Sudi akiwa eti totumba kuria mtu kuringa siasa tiambi tia mlima. These people baumete kire back and their president. Are they not preaching tribalism?
Of course they are preaching tribalism, yes. But then you know conversation ya to some extent in a justification. Nunto kiribo abago question ni mtore ukarake ara area one tribe. Kiribo. But in real sense, the moment iba ambiririe kumiariria kinyabo, it is the same narrative bakwendera ivya.
Kwanza shole were mwana wetu.
That language should cease. But then number 2 ogo ri number 2. No ambiririe conversation. So ogo tina moral authority ya ku question ba bange baraba irunguru akuba kyariria asimira conversation. Igeto mininkuga na bwakwa from a city. I mistake deputy president athithite nuntu no wambiririe conversation yeu na ari mwana wetu na tutimumenete. But then inya tu defendete aringi tu defend na mathithio lakini kanywa kawe kakethwa gakiona na yotheru na ndakwira for free tukeja gwita ku verify inyo andika ni ndene ya thirikari iji ikeja kuthondeto ingi ndona mitandao na ichiama. We have seen antu bara baandiki ends of parastatos, ends of bones, chairpersons ba bondi and there very powerful bones. Kinya ministry ila most powerful of course wateka njirera ngoge uchiga inayo. You can tell for free that kinya president yakareti antu bao. So it is definitely given kinya deputy president na batari kudwa kareti antu bao. But go bakari tena kanywa. That is where he goes wrong. Ati batari bakari na kanywa. Abatero bakari na mathithio. Nuntu nthiguru ne tutwinde. The moment turingire kura, kinya bara batari ingite kura. Kinya bara batepa Mount Kenya, batepa Rift Valley, they should feel part of the feeling. Reality is something else. But we feel mwananchi wonde abatare kudwa kiga wa I am part of this government. Lakini tokata na rwalirura deputy president yakarete akara other people from other nations, other tribes, but they feel kudwa be part of the government. Don't ne shares. So kedho tishi okugitete wote go feel we part of this company. Buga no kukwata point yekwa. The point is the mistake is on the conversation. Kanywa rwaria ruwa kwari ruma kosa. Ene mathithio akomba kutukaria mathithio ne. Toe wa mbere. Kinya gitara moya kariti antu bao, kinya gitara kibaki akariti antu bao. It is given. Kinya turingi nengera ira kura, aringi kali antu bao mbere yejo tukaria. That is given. Lakini kanywa nako ikabatere kuona ni patriotism. Mathithio jaku yakionekana on the face of the public. Jabatere kuona ni patriotism. So what is missing kirewe is that patriotic figure na ambicha ya mtu patriotic. Yes.
Either campaign President Ruto na promise ya Kenya. Habera thina ira kulukirire either thirikari ndiru. Atekorora kamunini owe akulukira cio. Barely 18 months. Deputy President has gone through a lot. Na munani owe atekwaria. Imosia drachi tu strategy cio tsinda kura and then from there kila mtu anjipange.
Mbetekiria mbuge to a great extent ndiona yeke githera campaign twererwe what they wanted us to hear. Kuringa na uni twererwe jara matuje tujendete kwigwa muno no jo twererwe nuntu ukajotaka promises ira twaei igithera campaign ti akego chia deputy president inyaire ingi generally chia mwananchi na arua reality na promises and the reality imanto jaire mwanya ni buru. That one is something that tubatere kuirana reality na promises bitetaneti. So far Kenyans are not satisfied and I can tell you for free narua irio social health insurance kwa officially launched narua nonto kwa officially launched today. We start preparing ourselves inya uni na ugwe kamuchara kara gaku kana utigeria tu kai kuma mwali jojo itutete kwambiria gugatonya tonya ndipa na ntutu gatonya tonya ndipa kuthibio ndirona bia thithwa mwanya kile the health department na bila imbi uthibio ndirona different. There is no slight difference ndirona irega atuma mbona better services if anything ndiona je ka services ira tutete ku receive kuma au inya chie was nuntu I am saying chie was nuntu menya mbere with my NHF indire ngeta ke mission hospital irera kwina woni na mbone inyetha ntiona services chionde indire at least NHF ikale agitanda in case ukwadimito ikale ithimi bibi ni bya kawaida in case ukwadimito mantu jera menja ijokerwa utonye on deep to your pocket bo indire. So and everyone, almost everyone guku iturerigaira mantu jamega kumageti vitali kina mama bara expectant ibara ije kinyande na thina ingi chionde linda mama ninkaritie nda kinyawu kwa gwita ku deliver nga kinyaki linda mama iga take care of the rest assignment ya kwa igo kinya linda mama ne emenyera mantu jau jangi. But with this social health insurance, unless kuthithirwe some ntekomenya kethira atukendo kitwa fresh no ntumbuga kira tutena kyo information, it could be tutena information, it is possible, but ugwikari ni ndiona imbecha kitongerwa iguru no ntumbecha chitite gwitira tukurea especially anyone that is salaried becha gachieta gwitira tutite kurea na no tutata kurea becha chiri iguru tutamenya twata ku receive utunga tabukari atia monka da yu mukenya atijiri kege gu implementwa na you cannot tell me uri amba kujugia becha chia kwali we jo mbere ora uni kono utungata that is wrong. Bo ija kuga nande menya kompinya inyiri tigo kambira nande kuma hau eothi kwa free kutwikera ngede nyande ta chemist kandi ije karea if it is not like that then something is wrong somewhere. So promises do go kugeria kuonia mwananchi promises tinya cha deputy cha gukaria deputy president yake promises ira thirikari ije gitonya thirikari ndaringirite kura na campaign irite a government that I fully supported jaraba twirire na jaraba kuthithia mbuga ni antu bara bonete ni bakita ngugira twaba nenkere. I am saying this na tuyora ngwita ngugiku but the only people don't even kunderiva ngugi yao ira twaba nenkere accurately. Number 1 is the Senate. Number 2 kuna institutions o ijeri datu kinya county assembly Meru ni ngangene mugara muwe lakini hakimpe
senators bakurita nguire ku
yes ibakurita ngugi ya oversight they are doing it watu tuone teba kita governor baba ingi idone teba kita ministers to abana ingirete ngugi ku ya kuthithia oversight ituone teba kin defendi muga ojura jo kuja gi counties juitaitie mwaka jwa mbere kuma 370 billion gweta 385 billion shareable revenue mwaka jwa iri kuma 385 billion to 400 billion. That is what we give. Hiyo ni assignment ya abana enkereja wananchi ya gweta kuhakikisha ba ku defend interest cha counties and they are doing it. So kirioni kedrike wake weja no the only people in Kenya today mbatere kwa kewa they are those people that by jingo gere kuto abana enkerete ba ubangi.
Okay. Kiri issue ya Mount Health nontu ntekwenda tuma county nyingi thai utenda wa sipitari mandaktari onto ya county Meru ba mbugomone bena marando ya KEMSA rugariro ba roll out Mount ya chief. So take for example county Meru okay otiende githio katite utungatana
now that problem ya chief no idre na challenges tia no to de ku okairi tutena accurate information ya what will be happening at what time where when how tutena those access.
Kinya registration yeyo
Registration
network new fail
of course
ki baraba wita ku register
kinya ningwa personal experience ite that problem myself ingerete ku register na ngachithira ndina thina lakini mbuge challenge kwithura tutena hospitali dawa tutena ndagitari dawa county na Meru. It is not associated na chief. It's already problem ya county government of Meru, the executive of Meru, governor ule olirigale obichine ngugiu problems iuchire Meru chia health ichia governor na no batere kukamata murigo jwawe omuntu nakamata mutharaba jwawe jwawe for a fact tombe tura nimbi daktari bakomerete ni untu mwaka muthiru bakarete cibitari titina ndawa na bagitirita aje na county tengete mbecha cia ndawa na governor akija agaparendi mabox ja maingi akagwande kuronchi dawa cheta cibitari ine indi weta reality of the ground gutinda wa cibitari bakarete kuma governor ajukirie obichi ata kumari governor ajukirie obichi bakarete ata andikana completely kumari ajukirie obichi ata replace ndagitari baraba litayaga ata replace ndagitari baria by exeter system weje due to any natural issues ndegera ugo kuningira thimu go inyethera imbije kontegete ke distractor it's good tumbuge tukenda tikambuga kuningira yeah now mbuge ikarite for quite long ate ku replace kinya ndagitari baraba uma kwe baba lisainere beta kuthoma kwe by exeter inyana natural ways ingi mbuga ikuo mbuga mbajua mbuga those other natural issues daktari ba exeter atathithia replacements daktari baanite nuntu bakomete nuntu ibakarite for that long batathithirwa promotions iria babatere kuthithirwa ja ritinguki ba health ba department health na kwina mbecha chitengawa this year kiri budget yejiriku county assembly etengere 211 million cha promotions ya daktari ngavana agwichoke obichine irigari antwaeta ndagitari abera njoni tukarende guru na mbecha already county assembly ne kirete kiri budget abera mbecha tijichire budget ine ka process ya implementation ya budget kick off to the promotions abeta barikania na bandika agreement ye ira tweta return to work formula ikotini etere weta kuga anto baba kosi ne baskume kuchoka cibitari na ndikinya inyakoti baskuma kuchoka cibitari abaskumwa ugo tira bentais ubonia noni we willing ku implement issues iji barisite utira boni nya we willing gwikira ndawa cibitari bona chego tiriti na cio aje utira boni we willing kuba promote na mbecha citengi utabonia we willing kuandika ndagitari na nurses na bo banje baberu na mbecha citengi chire budget ineje. Now question is surely governor former governor Kawira Mwangasa are justified kwetho aro bichine when atego Kenya mwananchi agakarate so the neiji chire Meru cha department ya health bururu mwananchi akasi associate anywhere na chief agasi associate anywhere na changes ucho kalika kuma kirene chef kweta the new system ya health ya manto insurance health utino chi associated kinya nitini imeya ja thirikari ira ithiritwe irio for that long ire meto ku implement thina ira ndagitari bakubera thirieni bare meto kweja na solutions kiri problems ira ndagitari bakubera and you know the problem is former governor Kawira Mwangasa atije gwitaniria ngugina professionals
former hata na Nari State House kuona murandi yoyo wa mantu ya chief
gwita State House inya una ugo tugeto no twite
hari bwana
hari tugeto thai murume ne katwitika so akeja kwithirwa wa ati gwito bichine as in agwito bichine ati kwirinya ndagitari para batere kwa chikisha ba guchoka cibitari kenda mwananchi ona utungata ati kubeta beri nyabaraniria barikania baeja na solutions areta nande kwambire kuga ndo bichine kwambire kaire guchoka okorea kuthiurukia ngombe imwe nturene mandibuti umwe tana kia left ungi ageta na kia right tuchito tantatu ngono cheka mankura
ipindi tu na kuri ringi ndatajate program ne kundo na woria inambe chiji chia korea chikuma indrone to wori kuria kiu.
Yes, now for the last 4 months utembe chire
no tembe chire ja county ne but ku yuntu kimo akendrone itororerwe that kuri mbecha chikuthuranu county ne na kiri report ya control of budget yeje irigite kuma report ya control of budget the most recent ne ugite county ya Meru ne gutumira about 800 billion at source mbecha chitiambite gukurukira kiri not 800 billion but million mbecha chitiambite gukurukira kiri CRF account mbeji kuthuranu account ne Meru tha iji irethirwa ni single business permits, parking fees, wembe chira chonde chiri agwa mbecha chethoko mehinya ntuko ngindo na anto bau revenue bathiurukite na amwe bakiarasaga antu bagitia mbecha na rasima na nambi mbecha iri kuthuranwa itubate kuthukura na yakiri uthuranu igetau. It could be, I am saying it could be no to take a facts but to get to verify. It could be that chiruthuranu antu achieta account ne thirikari no to account ye gaitaji approve chia control of budget antu achieta account ne thirikari chikothuranirwa account ne chia rume na ekuru pana au account ne Meru kenda chitumirika chitambeta gweta ine processes chia approve chitumirika chitena muthingatirie chitithingatite ine sheria chigatumirwa tuna menga na ipindi. So the only solution ya gutethia county ya Meru ikoti nengere county ya Meru justice
delayed
is justice denied na tuge twina mwananchi katugaturia marupo wega twina mwananchi tuturie maru turombere kinyanja nje sikende nyamurungu aba ekima wisdom ira yuma na yanawe bomba kugita magamba na yota nuntu keja guteka previous presidents magamba ja governors braba ngiba impeachwa before gute governor ngi wa impeachwa koti imwetekiria guchoko obichine imwetekiria ani guchoko obichi kesi yenderete ikesi yamba kuthira agachoko obichine inya Wambora uri okuotagwa Wambora ambere gweta ome deputy governor atwika acting for some time kesi ekwamba kugitwa high court Wambora achoko obichine. But in Meru it is quite funny that for the first time twina governor koto nde mwete ruthara kwithura ari obichi whereas governor impeach illegalities. One of the illegalities is the misuse of public funds. Ndichuria mtu impeach dono ntuba winyangia bwa mbecha cha mwingi achokwi koto ndo obichine for some time kinyeta kapati kau achokeru obichine illegal na naije ni irigo atikathithietie meye jangana na achokeru obichine already apanishetwo ni sheria uria batare kuthithwa nundu ndichuria nande thai eki obichine kotonda mbere riria arare obichine auna ini sheria impeachment ni kwejeka ikaeja na remedy yejeka muringa ruthanju atha iji achokeru obichine kotonda kapati gakaya ri remedy ni iriku unless DCI na EACC bethoro be macho bwega bombe kuthinga tinto bia Mumeru bwega tuina challenge nuntu into bia Mumeru bi at risk ya winyangwa.
Krisho still ya Mount Kenya kinyo wa Meru nethirite play a lot rikana kuroba njuri right rikana kuroba barabara kinuru. I think from where I see it Meru iko cetho siasa nyingi muno na priorities riba tukuthea chikia focus tuki mwananchi gethre iteo akuru njuri ura wa fronte antobana waragia on behalf of akuru banjuri na kusupport Kindiki na support mama ari economic advisor ura batire kwethra akiwa au tubatu choki itha wa madaktari nguine tubatire ko kurungika una u no warara akiringa akiwa to support any Kawira Mwangaza to support Kindiki right
yeah
tuko I think like a week ago ekuro barabara Kinoru Stadium baweteleso tiandiki mantu ya Kindiki ibao bare front line
nyaronge na pa governor.
What does this tell you? Imbie kwa ni Mumeru.
Bitikiria mbuge atiri bwana Edward Meru twina siasa nyingi muno chipurite, so many politics. Mbere makuru baraberawa akuru banjuri baumara gwita kwendo skende kinaria ntukwigenda igirwe secretary general wa njuri akiuga group ire iri naria tenjuri bare akuru tu na nkurumbu na mbibo jenwe baringanirwa amwe betwa njuri barenkerwa tumikwanju na ina and it is true, I can confirm anto bara kwa ngiringiri kwetwa bare aria bare kwa ankuga anta tonto bago substantiate no kuigwa. So it is somehow true no betho anto bara kaba mabera isitwe na ituonere anto bari front line ne kindo aliria iba eta wa Rojaro kana eta wa Andriano mtotwije cross kere governor so much mtotwije na kinya mto family yewe wande kine governor so etharaka mtotwije kinya impeachment yerengi na atumiri ne governor ari mukuje inya senate so definitely antobra bare arura ne governor baikitie number 2 bugi atiri kumira ba support kinde kesoke nonto imwana wetu. I don't see anything wrong kere go support kideki, but there is everything wrong kere go support ko thura bwe akuru banjuri whereas njuri ina systems ciao ira chiritangugi kaba no bari umira bakauga turi community nonto anyone can speak for the community inya that mtu on the authority but anyone kinyani ngwana mbuge on behalf of the Meru community on behalf well baringi umira ba on behalf of the community the Ranja community iba go support kiendeke ntengiona niko na mistake au but the moment baugire po ibanjuri whereas ibaije katikati ne kao inya batena official spokesperson wa Njuri Ncheke ibaije katikati ne kao batena authority ya Njuri ko transact business on behalf of it was wrong na Njuri Ncheke Meru is one of the institutions iri Meru batete mono if anything Njuri Ncheke from the history of the Meru community Njuri Ncheke neo thirikari ya Meru na Njuri Ncheke itorwaga na the government of the day no Njuri is a government by itself so gweta go papoti ogo wejete on behalf of this government egoto Njuri Ncheke whereas uteno authority ya Njuri that was a mistake na number 2 kuri gendo ndaigirwe on Saturday secretary general wa Njuri akiuga that kuringana na procedures ciao cia Njuri but they tangu ikanira muge just like that na tekunde jwe kana irwa na timto onze we kana ira na jwe kaniri mari tutumba kuruma we kaniro bate angiriete that Njuri pa go shift kuma kile this spokesperson beta kile this spokesperson procedures ciao cha gutumira so to some extent gato batera kuira team we yo karege ta kuthithia nteto yu ibatige gwaka kithure kinde kiruko Kithure Kindiki is a very great gentleman. Na mtu tutegete twinda ya Mount Kenya East na kinyana Mount Kenya, the Raja Mount Kenya. If anything, Mount Kenya eri onde uwekali indoneri nya bunge bakiuga the other day that inaba Mount Kenya West ibago support Professor Kithure Kindiki ja spokesperson wetu. So antobara kumera baki arayeje kabo support Kindiki werasi beije bobongwa ni pindi byao bochetha imenga tuba kudithia kenda itairangania mpio na arora ke mantu jaraja enderete that is wrong na kinyabongo iba batere ku respect systems ya Njuri Ncheke Meru we should call out to them na tubere ba utuja Meru twenda kwewe shima letu ja Meru yes
right let's come to Kindiki factor a lot has been said if Gachagua goes today Kindiki no about to take over a deputy president Kindiki ukinya level ya kuwa deputy president
Kindiki akinyetie na akurukithia if anything twenda 2032 Professor Kithure Kindiki ethera no gutuika president wa Republic ya Kenya kenda kinya twingwa ja Meru tuthora turakinya at least gitene kiu kire iguru kabisa na abu akira gutuma batu to support Kindiki na inya muno well bugete ka domenete Rigathi Gachagua lakini gatwije from nara tumete gitigi Gachagua karirite kiariga Kindiki na the president himself Nigeria darakanithie jauga atiri me nenkere ni muthomi njoki gitiki ya governor riu Kindiki aroba gitiki ya governor na bu nenkere Kindiki na ndebete no na areguru twete tukarite no ngugi na ndo ari chiambirio kwaru from there that professor will be the number 2, will be the running mate. Nye MPs bambire kurungama para bari close allies ba president that time bakiuga Kindiki no yotete kutuika running mate. Lakini gukinya time yongwe kwa announce running mate, so many other things came into play na Gachagua aratuika running mate. So Kindiki kinuntu kiari destined for Kindiki from the word go. Twenda kimuchokera nuntu I can tell you gikethwa gitari kia Gachagua kinya tukinya 2032 na aria Mount Kenya gekaura tore system ne nara turingithwa tugite gitikia president tukaura system ne ndu tumba kugitia nuntu mtoro uri mbichene tore antu bendete kwithwa ari mbichene. So twenda muno kindi kianyu giki kenda twithwa tuije as a community twina future ya inya kuja kujukia kiu kinje kiriga iguru tutikeje kuthirira ajuju kwa deputy.
Oh sure you Kindiki gayuko thai by 2027 atethire kwingwa bo Gachagua
atethira kwingwa akengwa niki you know Kindiki ate ari kiresiri Gachagua na ari that is something that we can agree. Na kinya na aru ankono opportunity kwa na deputy president nuntu teka mumenete ndamwira tu ndau ni chencha rwari aja na wone manto ya kuja bwe kethira na kumba kubanga tumantu. That is something mumero wanda ije na mwananchi wanda ije that rwari kathi Gachagua kuroro gwita rukaate rukatwika terwa deputy terwa number 2. You know number 2 timu mtu na president na deputy president babatere kwaria bakimenyaga rwari rwao is almost close to the law.
Niki nonto ministers by interior batumara ko humiliate deputy president. Look at Matiang'i. Look now at Professor Kindiki.
I think it is history that is repeating itself. It is unfortunate. Meito ale na interior ministers bangi before the 2 iko ale na kinya Saitoti na ali interior finally Murungu amweta na njira amwetere nyo kuna controversies nyingi. So ndakuti Saitoti kuga na inya na ara tutona bakirwa turona kwikarika nteto ingi chiena mengenge mbugate teka ire by design that gitekia interior mtu gakarwaga na deputy every time. No, it is not by design. If anything, Professor Kithure Kindiki atekura na Gachagua from where is it na kinya ndataka behavior. You know Kindiki mongatha iya atarunga mauga eviria ni Gachagua bona ngeregete ni antu bangi bakwaria from morova na kinya mbere yetu kinya juju kinya rira Kindiki berwe
imbibi atumite ta ku receive president au mwete rongo na deputy president ya Kenya,
but president ya Kenya kuthwa no etireri amwirimbe jite who else could have received him.
Matiang'i did this. Ruto ari deputy president
na we no munene okethra amwirite thithia u me munene of course antu bara bonde bejo ki authority kuma ke the president. By the way, deputy president mistake ira baba inge bathithagia deputy president is not a co-president. We have no presidents in the country.
It is called the presidency.
It is the presidency, but it's not a co-president.
Yes.
It is a deputy.
Yes.
So in other words, kun deputy isi kuthithia atia iko act on behalf when in need arises.
When the president is not around.
Terasmi nyethra ate around yake kinyare around akeja kunderegate ni assignment to you no me execute. So responsibility ya we gitare onde ithe kikiri operations ya president. So ari president yareo na agokagirie gupapoti jeka you are a co-president. Yani ijeka ugwa na webu baire any of the two of you can do this and that. Me kimo kira gatumire Uhuru Kenyatta barwa na William Ruto tukairania Ruto athiurukite na ande guru ne yonde akironcha mirandi jawe president na akiuga in our government toriuga in our government torithithia in our. So it was like ijeka kwari na president bairi umwari sitting unge ari deputy na kinya thaiji nimona rimwe kwiro nyaga chagwa kwari oguo kona jeka i president bairi bakwaria na the moment but you know the last person to ari noe waije kwithura we vice ikuga atia. Look at the behavior Kalonzo Musyoka when Kibaki was the president. Kalonzo would have never articulated a government issue unless the president gave him authority ya kuthithio. No, this is not a co-presidency. One is a deputy of the other person. So nabatera kumenya limits ya deputy ni iriku na aga serve those limits. Yes.
Mwisho president na promisite kutethira kwina criminal justice ya kunyamaria antu CS Kindekinwe minister wa interior in charge of government coordination nambi thairo tukuona bakebaso bakewatwa tuku antu bakawatwa bakaura for a month bacho karingi bakari service so mantu yayo ndhe yare happen runguru ao Kindiki ari waziri ari in charge.
Well, we have a serious problem as a country. Na unfortunately kinya uni intena solution yayo. Nte komenya kethra ni sheria chietu chire wiki. Nte komenya kethra ni antu tuthurite bari wiki. I have no solution on this, but we have a serious problem to batere kwa ngiritu inayo. The criminal justice system ni tuikite lupo ya gutumirika tinya na are iguru aki. Even look at the Meru County as it is. Ura wina thirikari criminal justice system imochore wawe. Kinyaka thithia meya kariate ba kara jantu bakuniki metho. Ura otiki thirikari in its right mistake. Aridingwa ja drama ira twetatu ajita drama ya haleluya. Mara na gerero ndene mara yanga ngono cheka mankura ugatega narua ituthirite kwina mantu joka leka batu twindu tubatere kurania biuria. Look at Meru for instance ikubibi bya kale kajuju igembe gukurukira wamba bwa ng'ombe na ara bamonyo bakuja ira miundene yao bakiura kwa nanto bakujuke miunda yao irigari na gute action thirikari irajukia basi naipate ba wibetere isawa sinaipa action nejokirwe the story is ongoing yanga ugateka ndatu uchionde ijibatere gutuma mwananchi agachiuria atiri where are we going wrong as a country no ntunyo ukarajeka it is either the police are not policing enough in the weta nara national mwananchi umira kuandamana jontu jensi bandamana mari bagwatirwe intimidation si endea kuribo ba daktero nyate kugwatwa ni baurire nyakura monkana aru batoneka family chao chitiji na antu bari are we really doing the right thing as a country kebaso kumira kuria thirikari biuria kuthithia ngugi kisheria o masheria netikiritwe we question the government of the day kutisheria kumurigiria kinya una ugwe tukethiri tukwenda kujukia kanya gakuria thirikari biuria even if we do not have an opposition ni ere party ya thirikari so ikubatere kuoneka antu bakuria thirikari biuria kibaso baguchie jana ni naru igoro to ibo mugerere ndene are we doing the right thing as a country na kira kibaso riwa kugwatirwa just wait and see ni urararithia mantu ja muthakora uguthithiria tu mantu na ara Mombasa most likely kikikethwa gitumite agwatwa na muthakora uthithiria tu mantu na Mombasa kara question the government ya county government ya Mombasa antwa thirikari ejuki action igurura mantu jaja ugwaja tegero ketha je na uma muthaka tu na gwatirwe atumirwe kika muthaka tu utibio kari katumirwe kirinde kia antu 20 anga ikathithiru anga sondo miangambia ngambi na antu abuthingata para bakaria mantu jegeni na mtu kinyapo bwa gwata bukagera ndene are we really doing the right thing as a country? I pity this country oningo chigirwa kiao na aro kwithwa ndemu Kenya and I can tell you Kenyans out there are breeding lakini thirikari yetu itijo na mbitikiria mbugetundira evo India how I wish the president to get somebody okumwira uma he might get down into history as to be
who will be that
I don't know. I think to another as a country and we have a problem that I do not know what will be the solution.
Kaimendeka chetu kuthira tureke mubango
bitikiria mbere mwananchi kagita igakomo but all is not lost. Turombere atongeria betu murungu abaringithie turombeke ja kutha gwikirundu giambite okunikani antu murungu akigwate na inya yonde otherwise where we are moving as a country things are getting under and in better.
Wow. Thank you very much bwana Kaimenyi na tupo kuona kanya kwa kile kipindi kina. Thank you very much kile barabonde abedera ba ekiri mubango yoku okay it is always a pleasure kudharina babu together tumeithe mantu uraya witana mbere ukiaguthira kwina impeachment kethire kibwithika kwina PG kethire kibwithika this morning tuketha twikone mantu yonthe kiri mitandao yetu kiri nto chetu chetha 7:30 na 9:30 ithira wina ntukwembea na blessed October bitawa mutembea Edward. Thank you very much, Bwana Kaimi.
Thank you.